Hello everybody, today we're going to do a while loop. Welcome back to the channel. If you've not done it already, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you for doing that. So let's start off. I'm going to create a list here. And now I'm going to create a function called enter name. And we're going to create some input for the user, so I'm going to call that entry is equal to input, and now tell the user what we want. Enter a name. Okay, and then we're going to go names, which is this lots of beg your pardon, this list up here, and I'm going to say dot append entry. So every name we type in there, we're going to append to this list up here. Okay, here we go with the while loop now. So while entry is not equal to loop. So while it's not equal to loop, we're going to do something. We're going to print entry is equal to input, and then prompt the user to enter another name. So enter another name. Okay, and then we're going to append it again to this names list. So names dot append entry. Okay, and then we're going to print out a message to the user, which is going to say loop through the names. Okay, and then we're going to create another function here called loop, and this is going to loop through the names that we've stored in the names list. So I'm going to create the loop here, loop, just call it loop like that, and I'm going to use global names here. So I'm going to call from any global variable, so I'm going to class it as a global variable. Okay, so I'm going to create the little loop function here for name in names, and then we're going to print name is, and this is where we're going to loop through all the names in here, and that's going to be name. Right, all that's left to do now is to call the function, and we'll call it by calling it enter name. Okay, and we're just going to save that there, and we're going to run the program. Enter a name, so I'm going to enter a name like Dave. Okay, it's going to prompt me for another one. Joe, Bill, Pete, and it'll carry on asking me, and every time it does that, it's appending them to the names list. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to type in loop here. So loop, let's see what it does. There we go, it loops through the names. Name is Dave, name is Joe, etc, etc, etc. So I hope that's been useful to you, and before you go, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you've not already done it, and if you're feeling in the mood, just say hello. Just drop a comment, say hello, how's it going, or whatever, and I'll answer you back. So I'll catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.